In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your design in Canva. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Canva account and that you have the design you want to download open on your screen. You should see your canvas in the center, with the toolbar on the left and the top menu running along the upper edge. To start the download process, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Look for the button labeled Share. This is the same button you'd use if you wanted to send your design to someone or collaborate with a team. But it's also where Canva hides the download options. Go ahead and click on Share. When you do, a menu or panel will appear, usually dropping down or sliding out from the side, showing you different ways to share your design. Within this Share menu, you'll see several choices like inviting people, getting a link, or publishing to social media. What you're looking for is the option labeled Download. It might appear with a small download icon, often an arrow pointing down. Click on Download here. This is where Canva lets you control how your design will be saved to your device. After clicking Download, a new panel or pop-up will open with more detailed settings. You'll usually see a file type drop down at the top, giving you options such as PNG, JPG, PDF, and sometimes other formats depending on your design and your account type. Take a moment to select the format that best fits your needs. For example, PNG is great for high-quality images and transparent backgrounds, while JPG is useful for smaller file sizes, and PDF works well for documents or designs you plan to print. You may also see extra options like adjusting the size, quality, or which pages of a multi-page design you want to include. If you only need a specific page, make sure to select just that page instead of downloading everything. Once your settings look right and you're happy with the format and options you've chosen, you're ready for the final step. Now, click on the download button at the bottom of that panel. Canva will prepare your file, which might take a few seconds depending on the size of the design. When it's ready, the file will automatically save to your device, usually in your default downloads folder, and you'll be able to open it, share it, or upload it wherever you need.